Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been 6 months, 7 months. I know it's been a while. My hair color has changed. I got a little bit more muscles and I've come back to Bombay also. Yes, I know life is, I'm sorry, but I'm here now. I'll be consistent. Okay, so today we're going to be doing 5 things which are going to strengthen and stretch our, wrists and forearms. So anytime before you do a handstand, before you do like chest press, or you're going to go do anything basically which involves your wrist, you can do this so that it's nicely warmed up and of course stretched out as well. And then afterwards, after your session as well, you can do this as well because it's safe. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come on our fours. Okay, so like we come into like your cat cow and all, same position. So what we're going to do first is we're going to come on our fours. Now before we come on our fours, we are going to just invert the fingers. That means the hands come towards our feet. Now if this is too intense for you and your hands come out, okay, automatically, we are going to take the legs forward slightly and sit. The idea is you're going to sit without getting the wrists up because you're going to just stretch the forearms a little bit. Stay 10, breathe 9, 8, 7, 6. If you feel it's easy, or you can just take it back a little notch so you feel a little bit more of a stretch. 5. You might realize one wrist is a little tighter than the other wrist. No problem. 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to come back. Inhale, exhale, release. From here, we're going to make figures of 8. All we're going to do is like we're praying to God, and you're just going to make figures of 8. So you want to try and make an 8. That's all. Do it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse the motion. 8, 7. Just draw an 8. 6, 5, 4, 3. My cat's going to come now. 2, 1. Exhale, release. We come back. We're going to just come on our fours. Same position, okay? So, get your elbows to your knees. Come up, take one fist distance forward, come forward. Make sure your hands are under your shoulders. So don't take it wide, don't take it close. From here, inhale, exhaling, knees 1 foot, feet 1 foot. All we're going to do is we're just going to come up on the fingertips and then come back down. That's all. Fingertips 2, just a little bit of strength. 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, my weight is not forward because it will be harder. My weight is back. 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Exhale, release. From here, inhale, exhaling, we're going to take the right palm or base of the palm facing towards you, left also facing towards you, and it's down. If this made any sense from here. Inhale, exhaling. Again, you want to do the same thing. You're going to just try and sit. Again, your wrist does not want to come up. The wrist is nicely onto the floor. If you feel this is easy peasy lemon squeezy, take it back a little bit and sit. I think I've reached, oh yeah, stay 10. Oh, my wrists 9. So like I said, 8. You can do this before basically anything which involves your hands. 7, 6, because it will ease and it will also strengthen. 5, so you won't, your chances of having wrist pain will be less. 4, I'm assuming. I can't really slow, no? 3, I know. 2, 1, exhaling really slowly. I don't know about you, but my hands, ooh la la. Okay, from here, we come back on our fours. So we come back up. Now, what we're going to do is, now this is a little bit of fun, okay? Strengthening a lot for your forearms. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up onto the balls of our hand. Okay, now what is the balls of a hand? These are things I invent. Okay, this, as you can see, like it's coming out like because I'm doing all the deadlifts and all. Anyway, so you want to come up here, and as you come up, you want your thumb off, and then we come back down. Yeah, from here, what do? We come up. And as you come up, can you see my thumb is off the floor? We come back down. This is all we're going to do, but we're going to do it much slower. And like the first thing when we did the push-up variation, coming onto your fingertip push-ups, we are not taking the weight back. You want to try and take the weight as forward as you can, not too forward also, slightly in between, but a little bit more leaning forward. The easier it's going to be here, and you're not going to feel anything, so don't do this. but you can come here to try and take it forward. Further will be harder. Okay, so see how you feel. Again, shoulders, wrists under your shoulders. Make sure, well, it's not too wide or too close. So from there we go up, 2, 3, come down, 2, 3. As you can see, thumb is going to be off the floor. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, come down, 1, 2, 3. Try and maintain it. You will feel a burn on your forearms. Take the weight slightly forward. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale down, 1, 2, 3. 2 more. Inhale, lift up, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, come back down, 1, 2, 3. Last time. Inhale, lift up, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, come back down, 1, 2, and 3. Release. From here, we're going to come back, make the figure of 8, and I don't know if did we do 5. I have no idea. I think we did 4, 2. I'll do a bonus one right now. I don't know if we did 5, 3, 4, 5. Reverse, other side, 1. Also, one side, as you can see, will be weird. Okay, 4, 5. We're going to do a bonus one. What we're going to do is we're going to just take one hand, your left hand down regularly as you do, right hand. Remember when we got the fingertips down towards you? No, we're going to take it out to the side. So now my fingers are facing you. Yes, and well, the palm is facing my head. All we're going to do is go into the opposite direction. So now I'm going to go towards my left. 1 and come back. 2 and come back. This is because I don't remember. 3 if I did 5. 4. If not, you have a bonus. If we did well, this is the 5th one. Stay 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To spice it up, you're going to come lower down. Can you see how I'm coming lower down? Yeah, stay 5. Great. 4. Really stretches the wrist. 3, please. 2, listen to your body. If this is too intense, you come back up. If this is too intense, you stay here. We always have levels. You don't have to come here if you feel like, Natasha, I can't do it. My wrist is coming up. Come back up. No problem. Release. Other side. Keep your right as it is. Left. Inhale, exhaling. We're going to go towards the right side. Stay. 10. Breathe. 9. Go to your level. 8. 7. Sometimes you might have to tweak it. See, if I go back here, I don't feel it as much as when I go forward slightly. Maybe you might feel a little bit back. Maybe you feel a little bit more here. But remember, the wrist doesn't come up. Keep it down. 2. Ooh la la. 1. Exhale. Release. Okay. Hopefully this made sense. You will see more of me now. I will be here and we're going to be doing like handstands and how to get into that, because now I'm obsessed with handstands because it's coming, and we will do that. So I'll break down the foundations of things like that. That's all I want to say right now. Till I see you next time. Practice daily. Stay safe. Stay humble. Okay, bye.